From earthquakes and volcanic eruptions to hurricanes and floods, it's essential to understand the different types of natural disasters and how they shape our environment. Earthquakes are sudden, violent movements of the Earth's crust that can cause extensive damage to buildings, bridges, and other structures. Volcanic eruptions occur when molten rock, ash, and gas escape from a volcano, causing significant damage to surrounding areas. Landslides, on the other hand, happen when a mass of rock, earth, or debris moves downhill due to gravity. Tsunamis are large waves caused by underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. Hurricanes and tornadoes are both severe storms, with hurricanes being larger and more powerful than tornadoes. Both can cause significant damage to buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure. Finally, floods can occur due to heavy rain, snowmelt, or a breach of a levee or dam, leading to widespread damage and loss of life. Understanding the different types of natural disasters is essential in preparing for and responding to them. By understanding the potential risks in your area, you can take steps to mitigate the damage and keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Geologic factors that influence natural disasters. Understanding the geologic factors that influence natural disasters is crucial for disaster management and preparedness. These factors include plate tectonics, geologic structures, types of rocks and soil, and climate change. A. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a fundamental concept in geology that explains how the Earth's lithosphere is divided into plates that move and interact with each other. These interactions can result in natural disasters such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. B. Geologic structures. Geologic structures, such as faults and folds, can also contribute to natural disasters. Faults are breaks in the Earth's crust where rocks on one side of the fault move relative to rocks on the other side. When this movement suddenly releases, it can cause earthquakes. Folds are bends or wrinkles in rock layers that can cause landslides. C. Types of rocks and soil. The type of rocks and soil in an area can also contribute to natural disasters. For example, areas with loose, unconsolidated soil are prone to landslides and mudflows. Areas with volcanic rocks are prone to volcanic eruptions, while areas with limestone are prone to sinkholes. D. Climate change. Climate change is another geologic factor that can influence natural disasters. As the Earth's climate continues to warm, we are experiencing more frequent and intense weather events such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and floods. By understanding these geologic factors, we can better prepare for and mitigate the impact of natural disasters. Natural disasters can have a significant impact on communities, both in the short and long term. In the immediate aftermath, these disasters can result in the destruction of homes, businesses, and infrastructure, leaving people without access to basic necessities like clean water and electricity. Additionally, natural disasters can cause loss of life, which is tragic and can have long-lasting effects on families and communities. There are also environmental impacts that come with natural disasters. Landslides can cause significant damage to ecosystems and lead to soil erosion. Floods can contaminate water supplies and result in the displacement of wildlife. Wildfires can have a devastating effect on the environment, destroying natural habitats and ecosystems. The economic impact of natural disasters can be felt for years after the event. Businesses may have to shut down, leading to a loss of jobs and economic activity. Reconstruction efforts can take a long time and be costly. The overall impact on the local and regional economy can be significant. Understanding the impact of natural disasters is important in developing strategies for preparedness, response, and recovery. By understanding the full extent of the impact, communities can work together to mitigate the effects and recover more quickly. A. Preparation measures involve taking steps before a disaster occurs to minimize damage and ensure the safety of individuals and communities. This includes developing emergency plans, establishing communication systems, and securing buildings and infrastructure. B. Response measures involve taking action during and after a disaster to provide aid and support to affected individuals and communities. This includes search and rescue efforts, providing shelter and food, and coordinating with local and national authorities. C. Case studies of effective response can provide valuable insights into the best practices for preparedness and response. For example, the response to Hurricane Katrina in 2005 highlighted the need for better communication systems and emergency planning, while the response to the 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan demonstrated the importance of community resilience and support. Overall, being prepared and having an effective response plan in place can greatly reduce the impact of natural disasters and save lives. As our world becomes increasingly connected and technology-driven, new solutions are being developed to help mitigate the impact of natural disasters. One example of an emerging technology is artificial intelligence, AI. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can help identify patterns and trends in natural disaster data, enabling more accurate predictions and faster response times. Another emerging technology is drones. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can quickly survey areas impacted by natural disasters and provide real-time data to first responders and disaster relief organizations. Virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR, are also becoming increasingly important tools for natural disaster management. VR simulations can help emergency responders and community members prepare for potential disasters, while AR overlays can provide real-time information on evacuation routes and potential hazards. Overall, these emerging technologies hold great promise for improving natural disaster management. By leveraging the latest innovations in AI, drones, and VR/AR, we can better prepare for and respond to natural disasters, saving lives and minimizing the impact on our communities. In conclusion, understanding natural disasters and their impact is crucial for both personal and community preparedness. We have explored the types of natural disasters, the geologic factors that influence them, and their impact on society and the environment. It is important to remember that while we cannot prevent natural disasters, we can take measures to prepare and respond effectively to mitigate their impact. By being aware of potential risks, having an emergency plan, and being knowledgeable about response procedures, we can minimize the loss of life and damage to property. I encourage everyone to take action and stay informed about natural disasters in their region. Together, we can make our communities safer and more resilient in the face of natural disasters.